It's your boy A Milk, man. I'm back in this thing, man. Big slats in the chat. You already know. Make sure you hit that comment, like, subscribe, and make sure you turn on those post notifications. Ooh, I finna go out there. Make sure you turn on those post notifications real quick for your boy. You know, I'm trying to bring y'all nothing but good content. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to put this out here. This is not going to be just a Mopar channel. I'm just in love. This is one of my passions, what I like to do. You feel me? I like to mod my car. That's why I got a 5.7. I could have got a freaking Scat Pack. Could have got an SS Camaro if I wanted to, but it's just something about the freaking 5.7 I just fell in love with. You feel me? But other than that, in this video, it's gonna be about the let me see. It's gonna be the iTune. I'm putting a tune on my car, Diablo tune. You feel me? And I'm gonna give y'all just the overall reaction of it. It's great, man. This 93 Octane tune is great. But y'all already know the next step is gonna be the J Green tune. I wanna really get him to unlock my car just to give me all my power, especially all the mods I got on my car. You feel me? But next, well, how can I say? Next is gonna be, oh yeah, in this video, it's gonna be, I'm gonna be racing the Scat. One good race, just one round, you feel me? And everything's done and being recorded in Mexico, just to let you guys know. Just got somebody watching me out there. Everything's gonna be done in Mexico. And the overall results from it, I like it, you feel me? Even though my cousin SRT stays, you know what I'm saying? He red line in the, you feel me? Could have been a little closer, but overall, that's a regular race. But other than that, man, y'all stay locked in. Enjoy the video, man. Drop y'all comments down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. And I'm gonna drop all my social media in the description box down there. So you guys interact with me on social media. I'm very down to person guy, you know what I'm saying? Down to earth. I'm tripping. Down to earth guy. So if you got any questions, comments, leave them down there in the box. Chat with me, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate all the love. Man, y'all enjoy the video, man. This boy A Milk. My yerp.
Wait on the other rim. Where the white was at? Hey, babe, come look at this.
Yeah, celebrities out here. Next day type of vibe.
Hey, man, you already know, man. Brayot's checking in, man. The one and only, man. GOAT, man. Know what I'm saying? Whip coming real soon. Boom. You didn't have to say good, man.
Oh, my bad. But now we just out here wash my car real quick from last night. Before we went to the track, but what happened? It closed down. Y'all already know it's cold. It's November. Ain't too many people gonna be out there racing for real on the track. You feel me? So right now I'm gonna give y'all the results for my I think i3, yeah, i3 Diablo tune. I got a 93 Octane tune. Give y'all the review of it right now. But right now we just, you already know, daily, Saturday, washing everything go. Hey, J Neil ain't put out a video in about 3 months. Talk to him, Neil, bye.
392 Neil, man. Check in.
Oh, no. Well, peep that. I'm gonna turn the camera back on when we get done with everything out here. And it's dark out here. There go the light. Yep.
He said, how the fucking nigga supposed to know where to go? Boop, boop, boop. Damn, that tripping, bro. We ain't gonna make it, man. Your car slow? No. Fuck you.
Hey, man. This is what we do. This is not a typical Saturday thing. Ego mode, bro. He just did all that. I guess it's gonna be part of the video. You feel me? What is it? Bro, we finna go make an attempt to get something down with the sun going down around about 3 or 4 o'clock. He just want to race somebody. He didn't want to see something go down. We could easily go somewhere in the city. You know what I'm saying? Somewhere in Mexico real quick. And get it done. But you want to go way out here. I don't know why.
I ain't gonna be able to see it do what it, you know, what it's supposed to do, bro. You feel me? Out here you can stretch. Oh damn, bro, by the time you get off the gas, I mean, by the time you get on the gas, you gotta get right back on, cause the race over. So shoot, I gotta show these boys how to race. You feel me? Cause like, what they be doing, bro, y'all ain't seen nothing yet, bro, did nothing. I'll show y'all niggas, bro. For real. What you laughing for, bro?
Hold on, Kyle. No. Bring on the land, bro. I said, bro, it's gonna be dark by the time we get out here. Pitch black dark. And what you just say, bro?
It's gonna be dark.
My boy. We can easily go. We gotta know the spot, bro. For real.
Bro, we can't go to that spot.
It ain't even that spot. It's one by Braden's old house, like literally right there.
You wanna go there, bro?
Yeah, I'd rather go there.
And his house is over there, though.
So, why we always doing it? Unless you just trying to get multiple races in real quick.
Get multiple races.
It depends. By the time we get out this field. Hey, look, I'm gonna be real. Where we going, bro? I feel like it's the KKK.
I'm not worried about no KKK.
I feel like it's the KKK out here, cuz. I can't even lie to you. Especially during nighttime. There's a bunch of black African Americans right now. We riding. Going out to, no offense, I love y'all.
Hey,
just
bro,
another place.
What's on the around, bro? Fuck it.
Yeah, that's, you know, they just cut to the chase. I love it, you know. I love the idea, but you know how black folk, I'm gonna be real, you know how black folk, we ain't never on time. I ain't gonna say we, but you know what I'm saying? But certain people just never on time. We supposed to be came out here, you know what I'm saying? By the time then they want to stand outside and talk. You feel me? That was just a waste of time, cuz.
It's gonna be dark by the time we get there, ain't it? He said, let's go to the spot by Low Life old crib on the road. Straight? I just told him, ain't his house is on that road? He was like, so? You know how loud this bitch is?
Hey, hold on, stay right there. We don't need to go where the police are. Hey, now, hey.
Just like Casey said, we don't need to go where the police gonna be at.
Look though, came out every time we went over there, folks in the front yard, oh my God, wow, they looking at the guy, they like it.
And that's what bait him up. He got some people thinking they liking it, some of them really ain't liking that shit.
Snap this thing. I thought you were Mr. Get Out of there, man. You ain't supposed to be worried about that, man. You gotta know how to work them gears, you know what I'm saying? Get up out of there, man. Leave them folk behind. It don't even matter. You know what I'm saying? No, we out of there. The only person we gotta be worried about is that sneaker.
I'm not worried about them. I'm worried about my people like goddamn that, you feel me? You know, like I know that he got on slicks. I ain't trying to get him in that bind.
But he gonna be out of there anyway. I guarantee, yeah. He gonna be out of there regardless. No matter the circumstance.
So we're going there, bro?
Yeah.
We ain't gonna be able to run but like a couple times.
Alright, that's right. Let's get to see that.
It'll donut in that bitch, though.
I wish you would.
No, I told that nigga.
I see I was putting my eye like this, bro. Oh God, bro. Nobody used to do it.
Yeah.
So Sunoco.
Nah, I'm racing J Neal.
J Neal?
Yeah.
Scat eater.
What it is?
Scat eater.
That's hey.
It's the scat doctor. Right?
They go to the top of the hill.
No, that go.
And probably race past the bridge.
That was a good one. We going against a scat. That was a hell of a good job. How you feel?
I don't like this road.
Oh, cut a heel. How it go down?
I don't know. It's just weird to me. But goddamn.
Hmm?
Can't groove, good.
I know y'all was spinning. Both y'all niggas spinning.
See?
He say you drunk, cuz.
Boy, that's a lie he told me.
Hey,
He
that-
took off right with me. What do you mean?
Hey,
Come on now.
I don't know. Hell, I got it on film. Shit.